Hi, this is a short tutorial on in-app Salesforce Marketing Cloud mobile messaging. It's straightforward, but it's not straightforward. This is to just give you a taste. That's the purpose of this. So, what is it? Where do we find it? Well, we find it right down here. Do you see that over here? This is where, within all the ways to enter a journey, right? Like data extensions, API, all that, audience, cloud pages, Google Analytics, like if something changes in your analytics model, inbound chat, all that. This is Salesforce journeys. You can see here A, SMS, B, WhatsApp, in-app message, E, D, line message, like on the phone, C, a push notifications, boom, or even inbox in your email. So there's an inbox in your mobile, and it's just a great way to do it. So here's the entry, right? And then maybe a 3-hour wait, and then you can say, hey, you could choose the kind of communication. This is the great thing about this tool. So here, let me make it a little bit smaller. So in-app messaging activity, do you see over here, in-app message, this is where you draw that down over there, right? And then here, you decide, well, what kind of a message? A new message, a selected message, display the trigger, display options, right? Is it that in-app? Is it this? Is it that, right? And entry event, maybe an email, maybe an in-app message. And that's how you configure it. It's back from choose one of these, go to this, configure it, and then what kind of a message do you want? Full page, banner, module, right here. Message configuration display. This is further. Hey, what's your message? Right? You can see I'm in Salesforce Mobile Journey, Salesforce Marketing Cloud Mobile. And then here, it's again configuring the message. And then here, this is the message. Hey, click here to globally configure the layouts, content, design. What's the title? What's this? This is the basic setup. So when you're thinking about tools like Salesforce Marketing Cloud, think about it. What's your message? Is it configured? How do you want to communicate? And that is the power of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Thank you very much.